confirm what my friend had informed about the first main point, the positive impact of rain just now. So now I will proceed. The second main point is the negative impact of rain. So this is our second main point, the negative impact of rain, increasing the rate of flood and road accident. And this second main point will act as the topic centers, and this negative impact of rain are the topic idea, and flood and road accident is the controlling idea. And this controlling idea is supported by subpoint A, which heavy rain can lead to the serious flood. And this subpoint A also act at the topic center. Its heavy rain is the topic idea, and the serious flood is the controlling idea. And this subpoint A is controlled by subpoint 1. And according to the news data in November 19, 2014, Kuala Terengganu hold the highest ranking of flood executed due to the heavy rain. And this subpoint 1 is supported by the evidence subpoint A, B, and C. And in this subpoint 1, hold the highest ranking of flood executed will act as the controlling idea. This is supported by this evidence. A, about 2,000 people has to move to tank relief center. And B, the State Security Council has made a statement that the quantity of rainfall over the past half days have covered the low-lying area. And C, the main river, these are Sungai Besut, Sungai Setiu, and Sungai Marang, reached a warning level which is danger for the residents. And now, the subpoint B is rainfall can cause a serious rate of road accident. And this subpoint B will act as topic centers. This rainfall is the topic idea, and the serious rate of road accident is the controlling idea. And the controlling idea is supported by this statement, subpoint 1. From British Journal of Applied Science and Technology, 1/16 to 26, 2011, wet road worsens the efficiency of the grip of a tire on the road by reducing the tire contact force. And this subpoint 1 is controlled by the subpoint A. According to ABC Action News website, Ian Fisher, a driver who lost control on the wet road, was killed in Pierce Grove Township, New Jersey. And this subpoint also supported by subpoint 2, which is Institute for Road Safety Research. The Netherlands state that more than 20% out of the total number of accidents occur during rainfall. And this is a statistic evidence. And this statistic evidence will act as the controlling idea, which is controlled by subpoint A, which is road damage due to rainfall is danger to the road user. And this subpoint A will act as the topic centers. This road damage is the topic idea, and the danger to the road user is the controlling idea. And it will be supported by the subpoint I. According to the Safi Muhammad, the Terengganu Work Department Director from Bernama, January 17, 2012, Ismail Muhammad, 75 years old, has accident due to his motorbike fell into the wide open hole at T3, Kuala Terengganu, Kota Batu. And this is evidence from the newspaper. And this is a statistic that shows that the average of the road accident in the in the dry and wet road. As you can see here, the average of road accident in the wet road is highest one. So that's all from, and this is our reference for our topic, the impact of rain. So that's all from our group today. Thank you.